This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 32 I/O Stream III. The random access file mechanism in Java allows non-sequential file access, enabling random access to any file location, unlike previous sequential streams which only accessed contiguous items. The random access file mechanism allows the file pointer to move per requirement, supporting both read and write modes simultaneously, unlike sequential streams which operate in read-only or write-only mode. Creating a random access file object is straightforward, with the random access file class providing data input and data output types for input-output operations capable of handling both input and output data. With a random access file, a character X is written at the 0th position, followed by an integer value and a double value, with the file pointer moving the position after the written elements, allowing files of any type to be accessed. Unlike sequential access methods, the seek method in random access files allows programmers to move the file pointer to the desired location, with file.seek0 placing it at the start of the file, and read-write operations starting from the current file pointer location. The random access file allows byte-level access to a file, with the file.seekfile.lengt each method moving the file pointer to the end of the file, and write byte value appending a byte value to the end of the file. The random access file concept allows interactive input-output operations, where user inputs data via prompts, which is read as a stream, tokenized, and converted to desired types, with the input values being written to a file using data output stream. For graphical input-output, a window frame with text entry fields, labels, and buttons is used, where the user can enter data like roll number, name, and marks with clicking enter, adding the record to the file, and done exiting and storing the data permanently. In summary, random access files in Java enable non-sequential file data access, with the file pointer movable to any location for read-write operations, the random access file class handling input-output data streams, the seek method allowing positioning of the file pointer, byte-level file access and modification, and support for interactive and graphical input-output operations. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.